What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So here's the class setup for the M15 mod. I'm using the suppressor, the VAS 5.56 suppressor, the 18-inch Bowen Watchtower barrel, extended Mav 1, the Pugger grip, and the telescopic stock.
Charlie.
First game on, guys, so we need to warm
Zone
up.
C secure. The advantage is ours. Hold it. Locking down Bravo.
Engaging. Hostile grenade incoming.
B locked down.
Is anyone found?
Tracking mover.
She just saw someone, I think. So lucky, man. What's up,
Problem
this
solved.
guy's lost.
They are taking C.
Oh, come on now. Sometimes I get lost in my thoughts and I don't know. Nice killing, teammate.
We own all locations. Stay on task.
Yeah, they're all disconnecting. Don't understand why. Where are they spawning?
We're losing Charlie.
Authorizing skewer flight.
Oh, you got pooped
Lost
on.
Charlie.
You got pooped on. Just to be annoying.
Trophy up and running.
That's a PK. Anyone want to push up this side? Let's camp a bit here, boys.
Securing Charlie. We're losing Alpha.
So lucky. I guess we
All locations under
Take
guild control.
C.
Keep it that way.
Scout pulse ready.
dead.
Using scout pulse.
Scalpels. Why not?
They are taking C. Losing A.
Sighting in. Stay out of my way.
We've lost Alpha.
Now
Dead.
ready for tasking.
They're taking all zones.
Taking
Losing
off
Bravo.
rising CUAV.
Head back over here.
Electronic countermeasures active.
Dead.
The UAV MPC 50%
Oh,
expended.
come on, man.
Losing B.
ECM terminated. Counter UAV returning to base.
Get down fire.
Enemy.
I saw a guy over there. There's a guy above me.
They're down.
Securing zone A.
Oh, he's dead.
Enemies destroyed your trophy system.
We're losing Charlie. Taking
Capturing zone.
Alpha.
On me.
Losing Bravo.
Using scout pulse.
Not bad. I mean, you could definitely tell that there is no skill-based matchmaking.
Enemy detected.
Headshot, okay, cool.
Losing B.
Oh, come on, man. Teammates take a little too long to push there.
Bravo.
Eliminated.
So I love this AR.
We're losing Charlie.
Clear.
Love this AR.
Ready. That's 5.
Enemy CUAV established overhead. Enemy UAV detected.
Mm,
Using scout pulse.
I know why I use that.
Bravo lost. Hostile UAV established above.
So lucky. Everyone is using this SMG. It's so annoying.
Bravo capture underway. Hostile counter UAV above.
Incoming flashbang.
With any designating skewer target.
Come on, guys. Let's push on the deep line.
Securing B.
Activity.
You got pooped on. So, it's a guy pulling up here. I know I heard someone.
Scout pulse standing by.
Securing Alpha.
Stay out of the way.
Come on, come on. Nice.
Target removed.
So lucky.
B.
Hagen authorizing CUAV.
Skewer release detected.
Using scout pulse.
Most underrated AR.
We control B.
Cluster grenade out.
Counter UAV fuel 50% check.
Don't flatter yourself. It's just business.
Pick again. No way,
Time
but
clock suspended.
whatever.
Looking glass is RTB.
Taking A.
That weapon needs a damage range nerf.
Cluster grenade out. That's our lesser balance.
Enemy UAV detected.
Yes, sir.
Losing B.
Yes, sir. Yeah, this build is nice, guys. Nice. See, look, the same SMG, this Dravic 45 is like,
Established above.
come on, man. There's other weapons in the game.
Losing Bravo. We're losing Charlie. Enemy CUAV established overhead. They are taking C. We lost
Then we
C.
should- So then we should,
Securing Zone A.
then we should take A. GG's.
You are catching eyes over here.
Excellent. You know
up
I
the
like
effort.
predictable outcome.
GG's. Play of the game.
Don't flatter yourself. It's just business.
Yes, sir.